Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the KS Moto Cafe. So this episode, I want to talk a little bit about the seat upgrade I just did. And if you are one of those who know everything about Sportsters out there, you would notice right away that this seat is from the Sportster 1200 Roadster, the 1200 CX. And if you saw my review video for that bike, I told you that the seat was quite hard and it wasn't the most comfortable, but I really like the look of it.
Flashback.
It's a slightly different setup than the 883, so let's just get comfortable with it by getting on top of it. Now the seat, even though it looks cushier, it actually is really hard on the bottom side.
End of Flashback.
And on my Facebook Marketplace, I was able to find one relatively cheap, and I picked one up right away and installed it right away on my Iron 883. Now, as you can tell, maybe it's a personal preference, but I really like the look of the Roadster seat on my Iron 883. It just makes a more smoother line from the handlebar all the way to the tail. And also it gives you an option for a 2-up seat, even though it doesn't look very comfortable for the passenger. Now, what can I tell you about this seat? The installation process for a seat is actually quite easy. You just need to get a screwdriver, unscrew this. Once you unscrew it, what you do is you push this forward, which will unhinge the little bolt that's in the middle, and then you just pull up and it should just slide off. And then for the new seat, same thing, you just do it in an opposite direction. There's a little lip on the bottom side of the seat, and you line it up and you wedge it in, and then you push the seat a little bit forward so that the little bolt with the hole on the seat is matched up, and then you put the screw back on where the hole is lined up. And it's simple as that. My first initial impressions of the seat wasn't really good, to be honest. Compared to my tuck and roll stock seat, it has less cushion on the bottom side, and I'm actually losing about 2 inches from the rear, so I'm actually pushed a little bit more forward, so my legs felt a little crammed up when I was first riding. And like I said, the seat is very hard, so majority of the time this is mostly for looks, not for comfort. But I do enjoy looking cool and looking good on a bike. I don't really recommend it as a must-have seat for the Sportster Iron 883. And eventually I think I'll go back to the tuck and roll seat because it is starting to hurt my buttocks. Because after about a week and a half of riding on that Roadster seat, I do notice that my back's starting to hurt with the hard seat here. So I think I might just put on my stock tuck and roll and then wait till I find a proper seat that looks similar but more comfortable than my stock. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick review and how to install a new seat of the Roadster seat on the Iron 883. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and press that like button if you haven't done so. As always, ride safe, ride prepared, ride on. Peace.